It's the Carolina Cook cooking the Carolinas. Liners.
Hey, y'all, what's up? Chef Anthony Albrittain here, the Carolina Cook, cooking the Carolinas, tasting the Carolinas, eating the Carolinas. Today, I'll be doing some good old down south southern peach cobbler for y'all.
Something like how mama did it.
Quick, simple recipe.
Today, I'm cooking and tasting.
Come on.
Preheat your oven to 350.
Make it hot.
Melt 1 stick of butter in whatever pan you're going to use. I'm using a little over 2 pounds of peaches. 1 cup of flour, 1 cup of sugar, 1 tablespoon of cornstarch, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, 1/4 teaspoon of nutmeg, about a pinch or 2 of salt, and a teaspoon of vanilla extract. Mix all of that into your peaches. The cornstarch will thicken the syrup. Just stir it up like Bob Marley. For the batter, add your cup of flour, your cup of sugar. You want the batter to rise some, and some cold baking powder. Milk. Once you got it mixed real nicely, add it to that butter you had melting in the oven. Reserve some of your batter, I'll tell you why. Then you're going to spoon your peaches out on top of that. Then pour that peach juice on there according to how wet you want your cobbler. Pour the remainder of that batter on top. Mix up some cinnamon and sugar, sprinkle it on the top. And this is the finished result. Southern peach cobbler with vanilla ice cream. Now just get away from everybody.
They won't find me out
and
here.
Eat it, unless you want to share. And you just know everybody gonna want some, so I'm handing bowls out. Know how that go. This peach cobbler might not make it to the next day.